Meaning of deposit.
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 Deposit. A deposit refers to the act of placing money or valuables in a bank account, safe, or other secured location for safekeeping or future use. By making a deposit, individuals or organizations can store their assets securely and potentially earn interest on their funds. Deposits can take various forms, such as cash, checks, stocks, or bonds. The result of making a deposit is that the deposited assets are safeguarded and potentially generate interest over time, providing a secure and potentially profitable way to manage personal or business finances.